Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into INFINIX HOT 12i. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. This one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, then scroll down, find this button in this block, and then press and hold and drag to top like this for add. Now for saving your editing, click back, and now when we add this button, press and hold, and here we got picture quality option. So if we tap on this option, we can change high, medium or low quality. For example, I want a medium, and for saving this option, you tap sure, and it's saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.